Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Steam if it can't find your installed games and it's showing as uninstalled. Okay, so first up, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now here, go to the Steam section right here at the top left, click on it. Now go ahead over to settings, okay? Just click on it. Now once done, go ahead over to downloads and then go ahead and find clear cache, okay? Just click on it. Your Steam app will reload, and once done, go ahead and check your installed games if it's there now, okay? If that still won't work, go back to the same set of page, storage, and then here, click on 3 dots and hit on repair library, okay? This might take some time, just patiently wait. And once it's done, go ahead and check the games, okay? Now, if that still will work, in here in the same set of page, go to the storage sections, click on the drop down, add a drive, then click on the drop down once more. Let me choose another location, okay? Add. Now, your directory will open. Go ahead and find the Steam folder where you suspect that is installed. For example, you might have installed your Steam games right here under your D drive, okay? So just go ahead and click on the Steam folder and just hit on select folder, okay? Once that's done, go ahead and click on the 3 dots and then just click on repair library once more. And once that's done, you should be good to go. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.